Hello friends! Welcome to my channel Painting Hyun. I will make this channel for people to paint easier no matter where they live in the world. If this includes you, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. For today's painting, I'm going to paint the autumn landscape. So this reference photo here. So this is a free sketch on the mini sketchbook with 2B pencil. I went to Bishop, California last autumn. For the sake of space, I will reduce the size of the mountain, then increase sky. I want create cool proportion painting. And I want to share with you one thing before starting colors. The Arteza sent me this watercolor 60 tube set gift for my review. Okay, 60 tube, and let's open this box. Okay. $60 watercolors premium. Wow, very beautiful. What a beautiful paint. Okay, there are 5 rows of paint. Each row includes 6 tubes, so total 60 tube paint set. And the price is very reasonable, and you are getting very beautiful pigmented colors. If you want to buy this paint set, you can use this coupon code PaintingHyun to get 10% off. I will put the coupon code PaintingHyun number 2 down description section. Okay, let's get started. First step, I applied masking fluid on the trunk of the trees. It's all dried. So I'm going to use the 8 of Arteza watercolors, and I'm wetting the paper with big wash brush first. Taking a bit of blue with Hua Hong wash big brush number 1, then apply on the sky part. Also paint on lake and mountain area with light blue. Taking a little bit of yellow ochre mixed burnt sienna with Davinci mop brush number 5. So paint on mountain area. Brush has a lot of amount of water, so take off a little bit of water in the brush. Use paper towel. The paper of mountain area is still wet, so I'm adding colors wet on wet. Mixture colors burnt sienna and yellow ochre, and a little bit of sap green. This one is just mixed yellow ochre and burnt sienna. I paint trees reflected in a lake part. Move it to trees, wetting the paper, and paint a sort of yellow with mop brush. Now I'm wetting the paper. The shape of these trees are not even. They have a lot of different variety in shape. So when you paint this area, don't overthink it. Be light and quick with your strokes, okay? Wow, these yellow pale colors is so beautiful and vivid. So I love these colors. I got some orange yellow and adding on the middle of the trees. I want to get a little more thick and orange yellow. So I want to take off some part of the colors. Draw the trunks with burnt sienna. I used the tip of the brush. I don't want to paint some same colors on different trees, so I will adding a sort of sap green on a small tree. This is trunk with burnt sienna. Mix burnt sienna and little bit of sap green. So I want to paint on different tree and different colors. This is the foreground. So there are some bushes and small bushes and grasses. This is the shadow part, so I'm using the sort of blue. I'm adding the dark brown on the blue shadow part. Next, lake area. So first, cerulean blue. Lake has a lot of small ripples, so I paint a little dark cerulean blue. Lastly, I'm going to draw flying birds here and there. I hope these birds bring good news to us. Okay. I will take off the masking fluid, then paint trunks with light yellow color. Yellow color and paint with burnt sienna. Okay, all done today's painting. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.